Welcome to this week's vlog. We are in a full-on holiday mode over here. This is actually a really special vlog because I am preparing for an in-person event. The boutique that I retail in, they are having a special sip and shop featuring me and all of the products that I sell. We're going to have a special box your own gift set candle bar along with, all of my other products that I make, and I'm very, very excited. Let's go ahead, let's take out the mini vessels and see what we're working with. Get them all wicked up and ready to go for tomorrow. Is complete. All of the candle vessels have been wicked. Now what I need to do is clean up the floor because I snipped all of my vessels and the pieces were just like flying everywhere, as I'm sure you saw in the clip. So I'm going to clean up the floor. The only other thing I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to double check all of my fragrance oils that are back here. I want to make sure that all of my holiday fragrances are out so I can kind of see what I'm working with. All right, well, it's been a couple of days since we put all of our wicks and prepared all of the mini candles for my upcoming Make Your Own Gift Set workshop. I needed a couple days, to be honest. Things are going rather quickly over here, and you know how things go. So essentially I have everything ready to pour. My wax is melted. I'm gonna go ahead and knock out all of these mini candles. I did create the labels for the gift box, so I need to print those out as well and just really prepare all of the little pieces that go along with this gift set. So I'm gonna pour the candles, we'll print out some labels and get moving. So all of my minis are poured, which is great. It actually didn't take very long. I knew I wanted to film some content for marketing, both on my end and for the boutique. So I was able to get that done perfect. And like I said before, this was a really great way to get rid of some of those smaller sample size bottles that I had lying around that were holiday specific. Other ones, you know, if it's more general fragrance, I'll keep it and eventually find something to use it for. If you make like body butters and like body products, those smaller bottles are great. Obviously they're not cost effective and I would not recommend buying a bunch of them. But you know, when you're starting out and you're trying to figure out what fragrances you really like and what fragrances your customers like, you know, sometimes you can't help but buying the smaller bottles. So this was a really great way to use up a bunch of them and you know, not let them go to waste. So I was able to use a ton of those. The trash is now full. It's got a lot of empty mini bottles in it. kickoff event at my retail partner is tomorrow, which means I just pretty much finished up everything that I needed to get done. The only piece I have left is I already printed all the labels that I will need for the gift box, but I need to cut them into like individual labels. Right now they're on a sheet, and I want to cut them to be individual labels. And I also need to cut some ribbon, but otherwise we are all packed up. I'll wash my hair and get some rest. I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. Good night. Right now it's like 9:30 and we need to be there at 2. So I just finished putting my little logos on the boxes. I cut all the ribbon, the labels are cut, the signs are ready. So I think really the only thing left to do, I would like to take a couple of pictures, and then I'm just gonna pack everything up. Obviously I'm only half ready, so I still need to do my hair. And I'm clearly not going to be wearing this outfit, but I'm not going to change until I go right out. But I'm not really going to change until it's time to walk out the door. So I'm going to finish up these boxes, kind of set up like a little photo shoot, just like a quick one, just in case I have any extras, so I can put them on my website for others to make for their people. And then I guess we'll pack up and hit the road.
Winter. Or if winter, that's why it's like Christmas. It's Christmas.
You're gonna do it. All right, well, it is definitely going to be hard to see me as the sun has gone down and it's only 5 o'clock. But I just wanted to just kind of share like my initial final thoughts with you all. So I just left the Build Your Own Candle gift set event at the boutique that I partner with, and it was awesome. I had a really great time. I just, you know, I like doing events. I think they're fun and it's a nice way to like talk to people and get them to see your products. So it was really cool. The gift set idea was a hit. I only had one left by the time I was done, or by the time the event was over, which was great. It was really awesome. And yeah, I'm just feeling like super thankful that the boutique thought of me enough, you know, or thought highly enough of me to have an event. It was definitely successful. And we chatted briefly at the end. We're definitely going to be doing more because it was a lot of fun. It was great. A good way to bring in new customers, both from my customer set and their customer set. So it was great. And yeah, I guess that's really all I have to say. Now I'm going to meet the husband and the kids for some dinner because I am starving. We're going to just, one of our usual spots. One of our usual spots. So I will see you guys tomorrow, probably. Actually, I'm going to wrap up this vlog here, I think. End it on this great note. I will see you guys next weekend. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.